How to activate the Lycamobile eSIM. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for switching between a digital SIM card for easier plan management, you have come to the right place. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to ensure that your device supports the eSIM technology. While most modern smartphones do, but it's always good to double check. After that, head over to the Lycamobile website. When you're ordering your SIM card, make sure to select the eSIM option. Once you have received your eSIM details, connect your phone to Wi-Fi connection. Then open your phone settings. You can then navigate to mobile network or SIM management depending upon your operating system and device. Here you will need to enter the phone number and PIN you have received from Leica Mobile. After entering the details, you can hit the activate button. If you prefer, you can also activate by scanning the QR code provided by Lycamobile. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you should be good to go. And that's it. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Also, if you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below.